Well, it comes with a plan B. How many products do you know that comes with a plan B? So this is pretty smart, and I am ready to use this adapter. What I like about this is that it has a so you can see it has on off switch. So my previous one that I had, it used to make where is it? Oh, where did I throw it? This is what happens when I get new thing. Then the old stuff is just thrown away somewhere. Yeah, here. So I have this old one, and it doesn't have any on-off switch. And whenever I tried plugging in, it would just make that high-pitched sound, and I was afraid I was going to lose my Bose speakers. It's still brand new, and this companies are just taking away 3.5 mm jack, and they just want to go wireless so they can track you. So that's good, and it also has the build is pretty same. It's plastic, so if you drop it or then say it goodbye. All right, let's try it out. So I have it on off, and I'm going to turn it on. But before I do that, I need to find my phone. So I have this old iPhone that I can use for music, and let's find. So it found Soul 2. And it's connected. Soul 2. So now let's play. And it has nice. Let's test the sound. What should I play? Pretty good. Check this out. Now if you can excuse me, I'm gonna dance.